have a passion for landscape photography with humans included in the frame. So for starting out and promoting our wedding photography business, we decided to do a style shoot at this beautiful lake in Italy. In this video we want to talk about the pros and cons of a style shoot and if it's helpful to get clients. Our style shoot was very simple. Beside the location we just organized the dress and the flowers. And obviously David didn't fit in the dress. So I was the bride. From all the pictures, we got this highlight shot, which we used to promote our business. We can say that the style shoot was absolutely worth it. With a good style shoot, you will attract clients. But at the same time, you have to keep in mind that with amazing pictures, you will also raise the expectations of the clients. You have to make sure that you can handle a real wedding. And a real wedding is so different from a style shoot. There are so many things you can control, like the weather, the light, the time schedule, and every couple is just different and so unique. What else? With a style shoot, you can expand your portfolio and you will gain experience. You can also try to reach specific clients by showing what kind of style you like and what kind of work you want to offer. We like special landscapes. That's why we have chosen this lake in Italy for our style shoot. Therefore, our clients were interested in after wedding shootings because you can choose a special location and also the right time of day you want to shoot. For example, with this couple, we hiked up the mountain and we got some really great pictures during and after sunset. If you like the editing, we used our wedding presets, which are also available. You will find them in the link below. To sum up, a style shoot is a good way to attract clients. But you always have to keep in mind that the real wedding is so different and you have to be prepared to handle all kinds of situations. So that's it from today's video. Have a good day. See you next time.